Can ChatGPT make GTA for free? Initially, ChatGPT kept refusing to code, but after a long time, I got it to write some code. Just look at the game that ChatGPT just created. It looks like total garbage. It's a 2D version of a GTA-like game. Let's ask ChatGPT to fix it and make a better game, like the first-person view and all, like actual GTA has. Here I kept trying and ChatGPT kept refusing. It is just not willing to code. Though I'm using the free version, but still it can make a small game like it just created just in the first person view. But it looks like ChatGPT is not in the mood today. Then I changed my account to see if ChatGPT can code there. But it was the same story, it just kept refusing. It was just not willing to make anything. I guess OpenAI wants me to buy their premium subscription. Then ChatGPT will code again. And finally ChatGPT wrote some code. Let's see if it actually works. What it wrote was totally broken. It was just a blue screen that I was able to see. I asked ChatGPT to fix it, give me a better version, but ChatGPT just kept refusing again. It was just saying about the response limit and all. And I finally gave up on ChatGPT that day. But again I thought to retry. The very next day, and I went back to ChatGPT, wrote a better prompt, this time not calling it to make a GTA game, but to make a simple Retro City game. But it was the same story again initially, but then ChatGPT got coding and finally wrote some code. But again I was seeing just a black screen. It was blank, it was nothing there. There was no game, it was just a black screen. I asked ChatGPT to fix it, but ChatGPT again started refusing to write any code. It was just saying about the response limit and all. But finally, I convinced ChatGPT to write 100 lines of code for 3 responses. And then I kept copying and pasting the code into VS Code and finally it ran. But there was no benefit of this because I was still getting a black screen with nothing there. It was just black. And when I asked ChatGPT to fix it, it gave me a working game, but it was very basic. It was just moving red dots on the screen with me in first person view, and I could move the screen, but it was just too basic.